This is the Ola Electric Scooter Future Factory, located in Tamil Nadu, India. Spread across 500 acres, it is one of the largest and most advanced electric two-wheeler factories in the world, with an annual production capacity of 10 million scooters. That's one scooter every 2 seconds. The factory is powered by artificial intelligence and 148 advanced robots. These robots handle tasks like welding, painting, and battery assembly with precision, ensuring high efficiency. The paint shop uses 6-axis robots for a perfect finish, while flexible manufacturing lines allow quick production shifts between different models. The in-house battery and motor lines feature cutting-edge technology, like wire bonding for reliable batteries and motors designed for varying power outputs, meeting diverse customer needs. What makes this factory unique is its all-women workforce. Women make up 100% of the shop floor staff, being trained and mentored daily. It's a significant step toward gender equality and empowerment in manufacturing. Sustainability is at the core of this factory. From eco-friendly designs to green manufacturing processes, every detail aligns with Ola's vision for a cleaner, greener future. The Ola Future Factory is more than just a production unit. It's a symbol of innovation, progress, and sustainability, driving India's EV revolution. If you found this video interesting, like, share, and comment below with your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more stories on technology and innovation. Thanks for watching.